Good morning, welcome to another episode of Total Fisherman 6502. And we've just done a night, but we haven't had one as yet. But we basically just got here. I got here at about 6:30, 7. Got set up, got rods out as fast as possible, found some clear spots, got a little bit of spod mix over each rod, and that were it basically. Just threw some rigs out. Solid bag on left hand rod, which I'm pretty confident with, the one that I've had my 30 on in here. And then my middle rod, that just got through out last night on a snowman rig because it were already on the rod. But as you can see, there's not a lot of weed that's visible like normal. But there is odd patches you can see, and there's plenty under the water. And as you can see, if you can just see that in the distance, that is a carp. About waving across there. So there are fish about in the area, so it looks like I've picked a good swim. Found some nice clear spots, and got the rod bang on. So hopefully one of these is going to scream off soon. We'll have a fish to show you. Fish there. can see, the fish has got me heavily weeded at range, and I am making sure to keep a good steady amount of pressure on the fish and try my best to keep the fish moving back throughout the weed without going too mad and pulling the hook. When I am fishing a lake and I am faced with heavy weed conditions, I make it paramount that all three of my rods are on drop-off lead systems. Whether I'm fishing for 10 pounders or 30 pounders, you want to make sure you drop that lead every single time, and I can assure you will put extra fish on your mat. Well, there we go guys, the first fish of the trip so far. I'm here for 3 days, I've just done the first night. As I said, there were fish showing all over me earlier this morning, and I've finally bagged one, and look at this for a beast, my second 30. My last one was £30.4 I think, and it were another common from the swim to the left. And I've just bagged this one, but absolute cracking fish all the same. I've had some pictures, and now we're going to slip it back.
What am I doing here? I'm longing for you, dear. If we could look to the stars, maybe life wouldn't be so hard. We were this close to another ending, but too far from the start. We were this close to another story, but we drifted apart. Oh, I think I lost my way, and no, I'm not okay. And yet I'm begging you to stay. Oh, I think I lost my way.
Now that were a battle. Got me in herds of weed beds. I've been fighting with ducks. That must have come about 10 minutes after putting a spot out to scare ducks away. So I think it's 20. But I'll have a look, and we'll see him on the mat. Get in, number 2. There's a second fish of today. Like I say, I've done that first night. I've just put that 30 back, and this has just screamed off middle rod this time. Same distance as the left hand rod. This one went £18 8 ounce, and what a stunner of a mirror it is. I put up an absolute right scrap. Can't believe it really. We're doing well good. Different rig, different presentation, same spod mix, so I'm happy that my rigs and baits are all working nicely. So we'll get a few snappies of this baby. And we'll slip him back. Get in. Well, hello guys, just a quick afternoon update. The time is 7:05. Become nice and overcast now, and they've stopped milling about on the surface. I haven't seen any fruit since I caught that last fish, that 18.8 mirror. I haven't seen a single thing. It's just been flat calm. So I don't know why they've stopped moving. Whether they just had an afternoon, morning feeding spell or what, I don't know. But I've put some more bait out of rot rods, and now I'm just playing the waiting game again. Hoping there's one bigger than that 31.2 common. Ready for a bit of urban baits. Absolutely buzzing with that fish. That was the rig and exact bait I caught the last 30 on. So I'm buzzing with that. That 18 just took a simple bottom bait. Like I said, an 18 milli urban bait, spicy fish straight out of bag. Fox liner, big size 4 crank, and boom, drops a good one. So I'm not going to put any more bait out now until tomorrow, and I'm going to see what tonight brings. And I hope one of them scream off again. As you've seen, it got me severely weeded, that last fish I caught, so I did well to get it in. So let's hope tonight that they get on that grub again. Just gone back to basics, no special. I'm going to get that omelette on soon, I think, because I am starving.
Where am I going now? Will our paths cross somehow? You were always by my side. I hope one day our hearts collide. We were this close to another ending, but too far from the start. We were this close to another story, but we drifted apart. Oh, I think I lost my way. And no, I'm not okay. And yet I'm begging.
This morning, as you can see, it's pretty lively. It weighed 19 pounds. But what a cracking fish. Another common, second common of the trip. I've just photographed 2 fish for the guy to my left. Both upper 20s. It's a lovely wake up call. Like I say, 19 pounds 6. Right, so I'm just going to get a reweight of it and get some snappies. And we'll slip him back. Get in. Happy days. On that left hand rod again. Solid bag. 12 milli pink. All day. Let's get some snappies of him. And it's going to go absolutely ballistic, but as you can see, it's a nice chunk. Like a rocket. Well, good morning guys, the time's 9:42 AM. As you can tell, no more fish apart from that one I've just shown you, which was not 19.10, 19 pounds 6. Lovely fish that fell to the left hand rod. Drop a fin line in that solid bag, so I mean, it's not getting me that badly weeded compared to the other fish I caught on the normal lead clip system. It didn't even eject the lead, surprisingly, and I've only got it on light. So put it on even lighter this time on the hybrid lead clips leaders. I've only had the one on the bottom bait. I've had 2 runs on the left hand rod now on the solid bag, the 12 milli pop up, and I've had 1 run on the middle rod on the 18 milli bottom bait, which was the 18.8 mirror. So 2 commons on that 1 rod, and also last night I got another PB, surprisingly. which I'll show you pictures right now. So yeah, there you go. What a belter that is, eh? £2 15-ounce rudd. So yeah, my granddad gave his left arm for that, probably. But a cracking rod. And that again, left hand rod, spotted area. I've just put about 10 or so spods over each rod, midi spoms over each rod, just to get some smell back in area, because when I first woke up this morning at about 6 AM, the guy to my left, which is in the big point, I'm in the little point, he got 2 this morning in 10-15 minutes of each other. So I'm quite surprised I ain't had out yet, but I'm just glad they're still up here and feeding. As you can see, it's similar conditions to yesterday, overcast. Only difference is there's a bit more wind, which is good. So and it's a bit cooler, which is again good. So hopefully today it's going to be another red letter day. Well, good afternoon guys, the time is 8:30 Saturday afternoon. Nothing to report throughout today, just that one last night. Can't believe it really, I thought we were in for it. But everything's gone chuffing tits up for me today. Wind's changed direction, it's swung right back into my face, so I've been struggling to cast. Broken off on my spod rod and lost my medium spom that I've just bought. So yeah, kind of gone west today, but I've stuck at it. And yeah, this is last night, but it looks cracking, as you can see. Haven't seen much moving either today. At the minute, my girlfriend's just making us curry. So we'll get that in his bellies, get a beer down us. Get some big mamas out, hopefully. one, fully plated mirror. What a belter this is. Biggest fully plated mirror I've ever had. And it's absolute beauty. Look at them apple slices on top flank there. What a fish. Looks like a dinosaur off at the top, it's that dark. But yeah, absolute cracking. Put up a right scrap. Right hand rod, my first fish on that right hand rod. Took a Northern Special on a Ronnie rig over that spotted area. Spotted all three, should I say. I mean, it took 2 or 3 days to get this one. But wow, it was worth the wait. I've had some pictures with him. I'll just show you the other side real quick. Because it's a leather on the, a linear on this side. There you go, £19 one she went. What a fish. Getting happy days. Winner, winner, chicken for dinner. This has definitely been a red letter day for me. 6 fish in 3 days and I am over the moon. A new PB. Back. Thank you, my friend. What a fish. My new personal best, big scaly. One last look at her in all the glory. We're not strong enough yet. Is that all you got? Come on. Not bad, mate. She's naked. As you can see, it looks the oldest. And it feels the oldest, to be fair. So it feels alright old and crinkly. There you go, £17, 15 ounces of Manton mirror. Wow, what a session we have had. I am absolutely ecstatic. I can't even speak anymore. There you go. Get in. Happy days. Again on that solid bag rig, 12mm spicy fish. Get in. And I forgot to tell you that common I had on that solid bag rod, I'd run out of spicy fish. So what I did was just put a 12mm strawberry nutcracker on, because I'd run out of spicy fish. So yeah, happy days. All my rigs bait and everything else is working spot on. Just had a quick slap at face. So we'll get a few stills with him and we'll slip him back. In 3 PBs smashed, got that 31 2 common, the first fish, that £19 one big plated, and that absolute gigantic rod at £2.15. 5 fish on the left hand solid bag, 4 carp, that big rod, the biggest of the trip on that left hand rod as well. I've had one on the middle rod and one on the right hand rod as well, so it's the first time I've ever had a fish on each rod, so I'm absolutely over the moon. I'm buzzing with the bait we're using. I'm absolutely happy with the rigs and the presentations I'm using. So hopefully next time we can incorporate some of the tactics I've been using in this session, and hopefully there's more to come like this. So yeah, stay tuned. So I'm buzzing that I've had 6 and 3 new personal bests, should I say. So yeah, happy days. Now we're just going to have a steady pat down. I'm going to make me some coffee. I'm going to have a steady pat down now. It's come to the end of the episode, guys, and I hope you've enjoyed it as much as me. It's been an absolute red letter day session for me. As soon as we'd set up and put some bait out and rigs, we seen fish. From that first night on, I just thought, yes, we're in here. Mid-session, I thought, oh, it's slowed down a bit now. I don't know what's happened. So I banged somewhat. I kept the bait going in, kept it going in. Same tactics, same spots, getting out bait nice and accurate. Broken 3 PBs. I've got that big rod at £2.15. Sorry I didn't get any video footage of that, but it were in the middle of the night, so couldn't really do it. I just wanted to get it back. but it were a right bloody slab of a thing. Yeah, £2.15, there's one PB, £31 2 ounce common, another PB, and then with that. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this episode as much as me. Click the like button below if you've enjoyed it. Give us a subscribe for the next up and coming videos, which I'm sure there'll be plenty to come. So yeah, until then, tight lines, wet nets, TF out.
People, can you hear me? Here's a message that I'm sending now. I've got the answer to all your problems.